Oh crap, here comes a Swift driver about to do a backing attempt. What is going to happen? Dang, Swift about to do a back. Here we go. Look at that Swift go! They look scared. Uh-oh. Oh man, the Swift driver put it in there without hitting anything. What in the world? Look at that. Oh man, that's a Swift driver right there now.